Yeah. Yeah. Reggae queen, dutiful and strong, virtuous woman, the Proverbs 31. Jamaica girl steady pon the mission, sweet like island sun, heart full of wisdom. Search for common love, me want the deeper vibe. A connection will lift me, elevate me life. Me want a man will see me soul before him watch me shape. Will hold me mind tight, like a warm embrace. Me a Proverbs 31 woman, virtuous, powerful, steady like a strong one. Heart clean, mind sharp, yeah, me always shining. Me a God bless girl, cause my light keep rising. Extraordinary love, the type of shape my spirit when him hold me close. Love will calm my storms, but still make me glow. Rare like diamond, pure like gold. Me dressing strength, yeah, my garment bold. Dignity rock round me like a robe of gold. I laugh at tomorrow cause I don't fear life. I move with courage, I am built to survive. Kiss my lips, what talk truth, stand tall, no loose antics. Him loyal, him wise, him know what love mean. Him protect me heart like him guard a dream. When the sun get hot and the trials come, I still stand firm and not play a victim. My family rise up and call me blessed. My partner proud, yeah, him rate me the best. Give me love was stable, love we brave, love capable. Hold me steady, build with me, show me what forever could be. Proverbs 31 woman, real Jamaican queen, yeah, me stand for wisdom. Noble in my ways, yeah, my price can't done. Proverbs 31, me the chosen one. Me want extraordinary love. A man will choose me every day, not just when it's sweet. One match me energy, my passion, me heartbeat. Yeah, extraordinary love, that's what me seek.